Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, the big dome of unprecedented warmth for March is right here. You can see the showers again still working on its northern periphery, and some of these kind of working on its southern periphery, but it is starting to break down a little bit. So that's going to allow that system to our southwest to start to head our way. And what I think is going to happen, we'll get two little bands of scattered showers and a few storms Thursday evening, Thursday night, and then Friday morning. And then as the core of the upper low that's spinning here, the cold pocket, as that moves right overhead, we'll get additional storm development on Friday afternoon and evening. Now notice these orange boxes, one there and one there. We had a couple warnings in Oklahoma underneath the upper low this evening, and I think we may run into that on Friday because the cold upper low is going to be here. We're going to heat it up, and we'll have a few more storms that'll pop, and some of those could produce at least a little bit of hail. Once we get that out of here, it gets a little cooler, but then more warmth as we get into early next week. But frost is coming. We'll get some frost as we head for very late March and into early April. All right, in the meantime, though, just very mild tonight. It will be warm tomorrow, some record warmth. We won't break the record or tie it in West Lafayette, though. The old record's 83, forecasting 82. Those showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, and again some redevelopment of some storms Friday afternoon and evening, and cooler for the weekend. Tonight 60 to 65 for the low, 63 Monticello, 60 Akron and Rochester, and 65 at Petersburg. Tomorrow the clouds will be thickening and increasing from southwest to northeast. So it'll be cooler in the southwest. So 81 Pence and Attica, 82 Lafayette, but 85 Rochester and Peru. This will be the area of record warmth for tomorrow. And then on Friday, after some of that morning rainfall, the sun will start to come out a little bit. So especially out here in our western half, will be in the mid-70s, but that'll fuel again some of those scattered storms bubbling up in Illinois, and again a couple of those could produce a little bit of hail. Tonight mostly clear. Tomorrow it starts to cloud up with time. We get a few showers by tomorrow evening, and then here comes a couple bands of showers on a couple storms tomorrow night. They start to get out of here Friday morning, and then the sun starts to come out a little bit, and we see a few more storms Friday afternoon and evening. With total rainfall, overall, it looks like around 2/3 of an inch. Some places will get a little bit more. You may have a location or two that gets an inch, a location or two that gets 4,500ths or a half an inch, but this is the general trend for about 2/3 of an inch area wide. All right, let's break this down a little bit. The outlook for the next 7 days. There's the 82 tomorrow. Friday, the rain ends Friday morning. The sun comes out. It's a cold upper low. And as it spins about right here Friday, we'll get some storms bubbling up, and a couple may produce some hail. So we'll keep an eye on that. And then a few lingering showers into Saturday, 45% coverage. It warms up in a big way early next week with the wind, and the highs at 78. And then after Wednesday, there is a pretty big cool down on the way. In fact, we may get some frost to end March and move into early April, Dan. I was just looking at some of the new data here for Thursday, and we may have highs in the 50s. How about that one for you? So
which is colder than the lows that have been the last couple of days.
Yeah, it was 66 this morning.
Unbelievable.
Almost the all-time record low for March.
That's just incredible. All right. Well, thanks, Chad.
Yep.
Mike Cleff, what all you